shout out to Hard Chevrolet for allowing me to review the 2021 Chevy Malibu.
Today we're reviewing the 2021 Chevy Malibu. This particular model wrapped in a cherry red tank coat. For the length 194 inches, height 57 inches, you have a wheelbase of 111 inches with a ground clearance of 4 inches. The Malibu is a thoroughly modern sedan with a sleek body and dual port grille with your LED daytime running lights. Man, this looks sick. Right here we're looking at a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder powered by Ecotech, pushing out 160 for the torque, 184 at 3,000 RPM for the MPG highway, 36 city, 29. Here's the sound of it. Right here we're looking at an 18-inch alloy wheel with a machine accent finish with disc brakes in all 4 corners. This particular model has a remote start. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with black cloth seats. Right here we're looking at an analog cluster gauge. On the left you have your RPM with your gas gauge. On the right you have your engine temp with your MP8. In the middle you have a digital display. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel where you can go through your trip, fuel range, vehicle info, and all that other good stuff. Now we're bringing it back to your leather wrapped steering wheel with your cruise control setting alongside your Bluetooth and volume button. On the back of the steering wheel you have your radio shortcuts. On the door panel you have your standard unlock and lock. Looking down on the door panel you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your engine start button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. Right here we're looking at an 8-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest Amazon Alexa and My Chevy Link. Let's not forget your traditional radio shortcuts. The buttons right here are your auto start feature with your hazards lights. Now we're bringing it down to your climate control. In the cubby area, you have your 2 USB outlets alongside aux with your 12-volt outlet. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is a continuous variable, aka CVT. You have your traction control with your cup holder area. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're making our way to the center console. We done made our way up to your interior lighting. The buttons right here are your SOS Safety Connect OnStar with your 4G LTE network. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with black cloth seats. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. You have your 12-volt outlet. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. And the clip as shown, I am 5'11" with decent amount of leg room. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 15.7 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty spacious.
Once again, huge shout out to Horse Chevrolet for allowing me to review the 2021 Chevy Malibu. If you need any information about them, I'll leave the link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.